Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of Arduino $0 starter pack. In this last video, I will show you how to create a project using a LCD and a photoresistor. Okay, let's get started. First, we should get our Arduino first. In this Tinkercad, they have already had the Arduino and then the LCD with in the one circuit, this one. So we can select that Arduino and then place it to the template. Okay. Okay, and then we can get the photoresistor sensor or a light sensor. This sensor can detect light and can know that is morning or evening. Select all and then this one. This sensor has only two legs, so we should get another resistor for our output from the sensor. Rotate it and then place it. Okay, and then in the code there is already an LCD program, so we no need to search for other programs in the internet. You only search for the photoresistor program or light sensor in the internet. This one, the ground is connected to the potentiometer because the LCD need to control the light of the letters like this. If we put in the highest one, the text will be shown. And we move the potentiometer to the lower level, the text will slowly disappear like this. Okay, so we put into the highest level. Okay, and then we stop for the simulation, and then we want to check for the photoresistor sensor program in the internet. Light sensor Arduino. We search for this, and then we select this one. And then we search for the program. Copy the code. I think we should copy it one by one because we have already entered the LCD program that have more complexity than this program. So we copy one by one. The LDR pin, because we don't use the LED, we only use the light sensor. We put in the declaration at the above A0, and then we serial begin. Okay, and then we copy the pin mode at the void setup. Okay, after that we copy this program. After that we paste it into the program. This one. Okay, after that we can connect our light sensor into the Arduino. The light sensor is located on pin number A0, so we connect it to the A0. And then this line 1 connect to the ground. And then this line connect into the 5 volt. Okay, after that we can and then we can change some program. We don't need the LCD print. And then we change it into here. In this project I want to use 3 if condition for the morning, afternoon, and the evening. Okay, so I make like okay, we delete it first. Now we can start the simulation to check how far that the sensor could read. We check in the serial monitor 6 until 600, 400, and then 600. Okay, I want to make 400, 0 until 400, 400 until 500, and then above 500. If the elder status is under 400, it means LCD print good evening. Good evening. And then print out the value of the sensor. The program is go like this. And then if conditional number 2, we put like this. If above 401, so there will be no error if the value of the sensor is on 400. After that we put N, and their status is under 400, under 500, I mean under 500. 600 is the best. Okay, and then we make for the third condition above 600. In this conditional, I didn't use the equals, so it means it's 506 599, and then the 600 doesn't count in. But if you use the equal, the 900 is count to the condition. Okay, like that. Okay, and then we delete this because the maximum value is 600, so we put good afternoon. Afternoon. After that, above 600, good morning. Okay, I think this is good afternoon, because I think afternoon is more brighter than the morning. Good morning. The more of the value, the brighter the condition. So after that, we put the LCD set cursor to 0.0 and the LCD print good afternoon, so we print the good afternoon in the top left. Okay, we do the same and in here, and then we do the same in the good evening program. Okay, like this. Okay, the program seems correct, and then we can start for our simulation. This is good evening, and then 6 is the value of the sensor, and then we go for the next level, that is good afternoon. Good morning, I mean, and 400 until 600 is good morning, and then the next level is good afternoon, it's above 600. Okay, that's all about this tutorial. I hope you guys understand and enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question with this project, or if you have any questions with your project, you can ask me at the comment section below. I'll help you at the next video. Thank you.